Hello, how are you doing? Now, I have been talking about markets for last many months. I believe that a lot of you may have questions as to how do you really do the analysis. Just a very quick information about myself. I have been trading in markets for near about 20 years now. I have had my days of bad trading. I had my days of losses. I also had a lot of days in recent history which were very profitable for me. And I have been over the years, I have been able to train at least a few hundred students, and all of them are very confident that they can use whatever I have taught to make real money. So, if you want to learn the real trading, learn how the technical analysis is done by the real traders, how and where you would be able to make real money. You should not miss this opportunity. I am throwing it out for a full 50% discount. Okay, let me quickly talk about what is it going to be covering. This is going to be a purely technical analysis course, and this is the course curriculum in brief. You are going to get a bonus lecture on money management, which I expect you to be doing it before the start of the session. The session starts on 28th of January. We are going to be having about 1.5 hour session every Saturday for at least 16 to 18 Saturdays. So we will have a session every Saturday. If you are not able to be attending each of those sessions, don't worry. All the lectures are going to be available for you throughout next one full year. And you are expected to finish your lectures for the week during the week itself, because we are going to be having a special WhatsApp group where a lot of communication, lot of discussions are going to be happening around the lectures. And uh, सबसे इम्पोर्टेंट बात, इस बार मैं पूरी पूरी कोशिश करने वाला हूं कि मैं ये सब नॉलेज या ज्ञान आपको हिंदी में देने की कोशिश करूं. सो जितना हो सके I am going to be adding Hindi and English both together, ताकि जो लोग हैं जिनको बहुत अच्छी तरह से अंग्रेजी नहीं आती है उनको भी ये चीज़ समझ में आए. And of course, there is going to be English. So people who are not familiar with Hindi should not feel bad about it. So it's going to be a balance between the two. For those who are not able to understand anything, uh, we will have special classes to make sure that you also are taken up and you also catch up with rest of the team. The most important thing is here learning. It's your learning. So let's quickly talk about it. So there are going to be lots of doubt clearing sessions. Those will be planned based on the doubts which are coming in. WhatsApp I already mentioned. So in chapter 1 we are going to be talking about the very basics of technical analysis. So we are going to be talking about what is candlestick. We are going to be talking about how do you look at the markets, what really moves the market, how does the real price discovery happen. And then in the next chapter we are going to be looking at fractal nature of markets. If you don't know what is fractals, don't worry, we will cover it in details. This chapter ends up with triple screen system, which was done by Elder, and in my opinion, he's one of the finest scientists out there who helped us understand the markets in a completely different way. Then we are going to be having a full session on candlestick patterns. Uh, in my opinion, again it's my opinion, there are lot many better things than the candlestick patterns, but based on a lot of data, a lot of back testing, we are going to be recommending which candlestick patterns work. And believe me, the standard candlestick patterns that are talked about, those evening stars and morning stars and the haramis and the engulfing patterns, they do not work based on the back testing. Okay, that's a big statement, but I have got back testing results to talk about it. Then we are going to be moving into something called as volume profile. It's a little difficult for me to explain, but this is the best way to analyze volume in the market. Then we will start with a very interesting topic called market profile. I have been trading with market profile for more than 12 years now, and I'm yet to see anything as good as market profile to be able to take the exact positions where the market is going to reverse, what the market is going to be doing. It allows you to take best positions. Primarily, it is used by the day traders, but as a swing trader, I use it on a everyday basis. Okay, so we are going to be having not one, not two, but three sessions on market profile, where we will cover up most important pieces in market profile. After that, we get down to the price action. Price action is basically analyzing charts as they are without too many indicators, rather without any indicators. You should be able to analyze the charts, and this works excellent in the market as compared to those analysis methods. Then we will, for completeness sake, we will also talk about most common technical indicators. We will be covering up the standard ones: moving averages, MACD, CCI, RSI, stochastic, volume trends, open interest, how do you use it, OBVs, Aron indicators, and few more. We will cover up all these things just in one class, because a lot of these indicators, although taught by many teachers out there, although lots of novice traders try to make sense out of it, try to use it, and then they fail. And then a lot of times those traders are blamed, saying that you are not using the system correctly, you need to show the patience, you need to do this, you need to wait like a sniper, and this and that, lot of things. Okay, lot of theories people will talk about it, but at the ground level, these indicators do not work. They simply do not work. And I have proven it time and again to a lot of people, looking at the data and showing how they do not work. But very important, you need to know what does not work, so that you are ready for what really works. And when it comes to what really works at this point in time in Indian markets, Elliott waves work very nice. They work beautifully well. And I'm saying at this point in time, there could be markets may change their structure. Elliott waves may stop working, but at this point in time, I see for next decade or so, Elliott waves would work really nice. Okay, but we will also cover up what are the basics, why do they really work, what are the emotions in the market because of which they work. Then we are going to be covering one very nice group of indicators called wavy tunnel, which we will use with specific entries and exits, and we will cover up in details with lots and lots of practical examples. How do you use it? Then continuation with the Elliott waves, we are going to be identifying how to look at the tops, how do you look at the bottoms, how do you really position yourself perfectly fine. and we are going to be using multiple tools, volume profile, which we would have covered already, pivot points, Fibonacci's, and also harmonic. Okay, we will be looking at all these tools from the point of view of utilizing it on a day-to-day trading. I am in no interest to make you a PhD in technical analysis. You may not be able to pass every exam that is there for the technical analysis, but you will be able to make tons of money, and that's a promise. Then we will be talking about few more interesting indicator families. We will be talking about Ichimoku Cloud, and we will be talking about Bollinger, which is done by Bollinger by Bollinger. There's a very nice book out there. We will be also looking at relative strength analysis. And of course, with this, there would be a lot more discussions and a lot more new things that will come up, and we will talk about them. So, in all, we will have about 16 to 18 classes, and let me give you the best deal out there. So here, if this particular course should be priced much higher, but believe me, I do not do it to earn money. Every time I take the course, my trading improves. My trading really has improved over the last few years since I have started teaching. So I'm not doing it for making money myself, but I need to justify myself for the infrastructure, for the effort that I do. It's really peanuts. I mean, in 1 month, last month, what I earned, I am expecting not even 20% of what I earned just only in trading, not about other areas. If I consider all the other areas, I would not be expecting even 5% to 10% of my monthly income from the whole 4 months of rigorous exercise, helping you people, making sure that you earn. The goal is going to be you learning most of it. So now, if you are really interested, I am going to be putting in the promo code in the comments for this particular video, and it's gonna give you a full 50% discount. Okay, so I'm going to be giving you a 50% discount code, and that code is going to be shared. Just give me 1 second, let me just share it right away. So there is your code, YouTube special 50. If you use this code, you are going to be getting a full 50% discount. Thanks for watching this. If you really believe that it's time for you to change, it's time for you to take an action and to become a real successful traders, take this, take the opportunity. Now let me throw one more thing at you. If if you attend each one of my live session, if you attend each one of my live session, then after the class, if you believe that you have not received value for your money, after all the 16 17 sessions, you have attended all of them, you've done all the assignments, and then if you feel that you have not received value for your money, just message me and take your money back. Money back guarantee, 100%. If you attend everything, and if you believe, no questions asked, you just need to believe that you will not be able to make 10 times 10 times the investment for this course in next 2 years. If you believe that, if you believe that the learning was not good enough for you, take your money back. No problems. I'm not here to make money. I'm here to help you learn. Following this course, there will be another options course, which is going to be helping you to take exact options trades. Okay, so thanks for giving me all the opportunity to talk about it, and waiting to see you on 28th. Cheers. Bye.